As Google progresses with new updates for Android 15, nothing is ensuring its users are not left behind. The tech company has announced that the latest version of the Android platform is now available for the Nothing Phone 2 through a new beta program. This means users of the Nothing Phone 2 can now access the Android 15 build via a beta developer preview. Earlier this month, the Android 15 build was made available to users of the Nothing Phone 2A, and the same build is now being rolled out to the Nothing Phone 2. However, users should be aware that there are some known issues with this beta version. Among these issues are the inability to add new fingerprints and the inability to use Face Unlock. These issues are identical to those faced by users of the Phone 2A when the beta build was released for their devices. To install the Android 15 beta update on the Nothing Phone 2, users must ensure their device is running on Nothing OS 2.5.5. The installation can be completed through an over-the-air (OTA) method directly on the device. Detailed instructions on how to install the update are available on Nothing's official website, ensuring that users have a step-by-step guide to follow. The inclusion of the Nothing Phone 2 in the Android 15 beta program is part of Nothing's ongoing commitment to providing the latest software updates and improvements to its users. This move not only keeps the Nothing Phone 2 competitive but also aligns with the company's philosophy of staying at the forefront of technological advancements. For users interested in participating in the beta program, it's a chance to experience the new features and enhancements that come with Android 15. However, it's important to remember that beta software can be unstable, and users should proceed with caution, particularly if they rely heavily on their device for daily use. By bringing Android 15 to the Nothing Phone 2, Nothing continues to demonstrate its dedication to innovation and user satisfaction. As the beta program unfolds, users can look forward to more updates and improvements that will enhance their overall experience with their devices.